Hello, welcome to Tech World GH. Today I will be showing you how to deactivate WhatsApp call ghost mode. I am your tech master Joseph Etiquette. I get such cases on the regular where someone walks in and complains about not being able to answer WhatsApp calls because it won't display. I'm going to walk you through step by step on how to resolve the problem at the comfort of your home or office. Keep watching till the end of this video and you will learn a thing or two. Subscribe, comment, like and share. Let's get right into it. So, when you receive a WhatsApp call on any regular day where there is no issue, it should come this way for you to be able to answer and speak with the person on the other end. But this won't happen if you are facing the ghost call issue, because WhatsApp can display your call. So how do we solve that? That's what we are going to look at. As you can see, when we enter the WhatsApp and go to calls, the call that came, which is this one, it has been answered. Okay, now let's try calling again. Let's call again and see what happens. So let me go back, let me go out of WhatsApp, and then I'm calling. So you can hear the phone is ringing. It is ringing all right, but there is no pop-up for you to be able to answer the call. So what happens is, after it's done ringing, then you see the missed call. So let me hang up now. So I've hung up. Let's enter the WhatsApp. Let's go to calls. You can see missed call there, right there. Let's go to calls. You can see just now it is a missed call. Fine. So how do you resolve this issue? So let's leave WhatsApp now. So quickly we'll go to our setting, the settings of the phone, the main settings, not WhatsApp settings. Okay, so we are in the settings. Let's move to apps for an Android. For this is for Android devices. So apps, on certain phones you have applications, but I'm using the Samsung Note 10 Plus. With that, it's apps. I don't think just that all Samsung phones use apps. Okay, so we are inside. So let's scroll to the bottom down. We'll find our WhatsApp. Okay, it's right here. So we have WhatsApp. So the issue here is notifications for WhatsApp has been blocked. At the top, you can see that notifications has been blocked. So if your notification has been blocked, anytime WhatsApp has a notification, it doesn't pop up unless you enter the app. You won't be able to see. So what do? We just activate the notification and your problem is solved, just like that. So notifications activated now. Let's go back to our home page, and then let's call again. So there you go, it pops up. You can answer and then speak to whoever is on the other end of the line. So that is it for today. Stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe, comment and like.